All right, here's this question that came from the 2022 STAAR for 7th graders. Now, this one is simply interest. The main thing is you have a loan of $24,820, and it's a simple interest rate of 3.5%. No payments will be made on the loan until the end of 1 year. How much interest? All we're looking for is the interest. Will Alice pay on this loan at the end of 1 year? Right. So 3.5% is going to be 0.035. So now dots right here. 5 times 0, 0, 10, 41. 5 times 4 is 20, plus 4 is 24, and then that's 12. Next one is 3, so 0, 6, 24. And 3 times 4 is 12, 14. 3 times 2 is 6, 7. 0, 0, 7, 8, 6, 8. Now we have three numbers, so you go 1, 2, 3. So 868 with 70 cents. That's how much interest will be accrued on this amount. So A will be, or F will be your answer.